How to use Google Translate in Facebook Messenger. So if you want to use your Google Translate, then first of all open up your Messenger application, and after opening your Messenger, now simply choose a chat, a random chat, and then you can simply tap on that message bar which is on the bottom of your screen, and here you can simply go for the left of your keyboard which has that square shaped icons. You can simply tap on that, and here you will have all of these options, right? So what you can do is you can simply go for Google Translate option. You will have that option. You can simply tap on that, and from here you can first choose the language in which you would like to type, and then on the next side you can choose your language in which you would like to translate. So you can simply tap on that language and then you can choose any of them, and for example I'll be choosing English to Chinese. So here you can simply write hi and then it will translate that to Chinese. So that's it. That's how you use your Google Translate. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.